Heading to Taco Bell to get a Taco Bell Crunch Wrap? Oh, no, I got you. Come on over. Sam is about to be here and we're about to make him a Taco Bell Crunch Wrap. Okay, but we're going to make it from scratch and a little healthier. Here!
Hi!
We literally have been standing here waiting for this thing to heat up and it's not even plugged. So,
Alright.
get smushed and smashed.
You know, I've only used this once,
Go ahead,
and I actually like that.
Right?
Like this tool.
It's from the Dollar Tree.
It's from the Dollar Tree?
Yeah, it's a
Hell
game
yeah.
changer. Go ahead and hook that up. And
There's a little city over here. Sheesh. Sheesh.
oh, okay.
Wow.
Mix that up
And Joyce, this smells amazing. Seriously.
and it's so
Oh.
easy.
Yeah. I mean, I love like a Taco Bell Crunch Wrap. Like, honestly, that's my favorite thing on the menu. And I always love all the items that they create because it's something different, like the cheesy gordita wrap. And all that.
Right. Now that we have our meat done, we're about to make our tostada, okay? Because these are Alamadre tortillas. They're 3 net carbs and they taste just like it.
Where do you pick this up by any chance?
They have them online. So
online.
alamadre.com, yes. And I do have a discount code. Look in this cake if you want to.
Hey,
Quick
yeah.
short plug.
right there.
I know. We're just gonna drop it in. We're gonna- This is good. We got our tostada nice and
crunch.
done. Ooh, okay. And we're gonna let it drain over. This is blended cottage cheese. This is Colby Jack cheese that I blended. Some paprika.
Little paprika, perfect.
A little bit of chili powder. And I'm just gonna have you try it. You're not gonna eat it all, okay?
Okay.
I want you to. No one with churros here.
Oh, no, what got you started on your fitness journey and your food journey?
Well, I just got back from El Salvador, and my family, some of my family was like, wow, you've gained a lot of weight.
Wow.
And it kind of put an impact on me. And one day, started lifting weights, and I said, you know what, I can actually do this. So, lost 100 pounds lifting weights the first year. And then I started keto in 2019. After I powerlifted, I placed 3rd in my powerlifting competition. And then
You really brought it together. Thank
Yeah,
you.
look at
Wow.
Now, we have everything together. We have our meat done. We have our tostada done. We're going to be using these are carb counters tortillas. We have everything ready. We have our tomatoes, our lechuga. We're not going to use sour cream. We're using Greek yogurt. I'm sorry, blended cottage cheese.
Mm.
I pre-shredded some Colby Jack, and then we have our tostada ready to go, our nacho cheese, and our meat. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so we're gonna start with our meat, because that's where I remember I seen the meat first.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
And that's still like, it's hot. I'm excited.
Yes. It's like freshly made meat.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it smells so good, Joyce.
Yeah, I can't wait till you try it. She's like,
Lo pan dulce. Love her. Mwah.
Cheese. Got a little bit of,
That drizzle, oh my gosh.
and then it's the lettuce and tomato, right? Is that
Yeah.
how you feel when you take a bite?
Yeah, that's
Right?
totally
Okay.
fine, yeah.
Okay, we'll keep it traditional for this time. But if you make your own crunch wrap at home, you know, you can put the lettuce as the barrier so it doesn't get too soft for you.
Wow, okay.
You know, that will kind of help like give that, because the meat's wet, you know, and then you're putting nacho cheese, so that's now absorbing into the tortilla,
Yeah.
which is making it more. So then we're going to do our little tomatoes. Is that too much? Or
No, that's perfect. I love tomatoes.
Okay.
Especially like salsa. Oh my god.
And then we're going to do some more cottage cheese, and then not too much. I'm going to do a little bit.
Yeah, the blended cottage cheese is a really good idea.
It really is, and it's protein.
Wow.
I can do it
Okay.
all. Okay, then we're gonna take our little fold it.
Oh,
Fold
yeah,
it.
and it's like that pentagon shape,
Yes.
right? Oh, shoot.
Okay.
Wow.
And now the bottom side first, so it kind of seals.
I feel like a lot of people won't think to do that, so
Yeah.
that's a good call. I saved my appetite for this.
Yay!
So I'm stoked. A lot of Korean dishes can be ketoized, you know what I mean?
Yeah, they
Or-
can. Okay, so now our crunch wrap is ready, and we're gonna give it a nice cut.
Let's give it a cut. Oh, that crunch. Ooh. Wow.
Oh, does it look like it?
It does.
Okay, yeah. Like, all right, let me know. He's about to do a review and try it.
Here we go. We're gonna prep ourselves, then give it a go. That looks. No comment. That's so good. I literally had to take 3 bites because 1, it tasted just like a Crunch Wrap, and 2, it's low carb. That is really good. It literally has all the flavors of a Crunch Wrap Supreme all in one. Dude, this is really good. No, seriously.
Is it a yes, please, or is it a no bueno?
You know, honestly, it's a yes, please!
Okay, you know horchata, so I made you a dairy-free, sugar-free horchata.
You know, you're the best.
So I want you to know and let me know what you think.
Okay, I'll just try this. Here's some horchata. Dairy-free?
Yes.
By yours truly.
Yes.
Mmm. That's crazy. It tastes just like horchata.
Okay, good.
That's good though.
Okay, cool. That's all I wanted to. Of course.
Yeah, and I love my horchata like not too sweet, so
okay,
it's a
perfect.
perfect
It's not
balance.
too. Okay, perfect. Yay, we did it. All right, give me a high five.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Killed it.
All right, see, now you don't gotta go to Taco Bell, okay?
Yes.
It's easy to make at home.
I know. I'm coming over here actually.
All right.
Every weekend.
We are close to each other.
I know. True.